picture. Okay, so baby girl name?
Just po.
Jazz. Okay, Jazz. The winning counts is 17 counts. Okay? Relax. Don't mind the price. Okay? Take a deep breath. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Birthday Eagle!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ay, ito naman si ate. Smile first, smile. Yan. Picture, pag-time. Yan, ate. Name po natin.
Jane.
Jing? Paano to, Jing? Zing. Sorry. Wow, satos. Okay, ha? The winning counts is 21 counts. Okay? So, kaya natin, ha? Take a deep breath. Relax muna. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Eagle!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wow! Sayang! 2 counts na lang, 19 counts.
Sophie.
Smile.
30 yan kay Sophie, 30.
Magiging balik kay sir, ha? So, magkano po yung sir? Okay, name. Timothy. Oh, wow. So, your father is there, ha? So, your father, okay? The winning counts is 21 counts, okay? Then 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Eagle!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wow, 24 counts. Okay, next. 24, smile. Again, the winning counts is 24 seconds. Okay, so name, little boy?
Jonathan and Gail.
Wow, close! Ayun ba? Joke lang ha? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Sophie.
Pero of course,
Go, Sophie, go. Hi.
Okay, small but danger, ha? Huwag kalimutan yan, ha? Yan, Baby, what's your name?
Sophie.
Sophie, you have to greet Eagle
Come on.
your longest voice, ha?
Come on.
Okay? Understand me? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so who the winner? Si Andre, saan?
Timothy.
Ay!
Esther.
One. Takot siya sa akin.
Esther.
Andre?
Timothy,
Yes, Timothy?
no, Jonathan, that's you.
You're Timothy. Sorry. The winner will be this boy. Yay! So, yung prize nito ha? Okay, the prize will get in the IMAX. Okay, ha? I'll go IMAX first, okay? Okay, so kids.
Walang short test?
Ha?
Short test.
Shortest, this one. Prize will be Gucci. Okay, kids. For my second game will be Bring Me Games. Okay? Okay. Mommy,